I did want to just ask you a couple of questions. This was one that came on very early on, this drug Entresto. Can you share more about this?
Yeah, I'd be happy to share about that. Entresto is a combination drug. It's valsartan and sacubitril. Valsartan is an angiotensin 2 blocker, so it's going to reduce the amount of angiotensin 2 interacting with the body, which is essentially going to have the same effect as an ACE inhibitor, which reduces the formation of angiotensin 2. So two ways to get to the same thing. The sacubitril part of it is the NEP inhibitor part, and NEP is an enzyme that inhibits the natriuretic peptide breakdown. So a NEP inhibitor is going to give you more BMP and ANP and cause more vasodilation and lower the heart rate. So you get this combination of less angiotensin 2 effect on the body by blocking the receptor and more natriuretic peptide effect. And so it's another way to manipulate the RAS, essentially. And that drug is used widely in human medicine. We have 2 short-term studies in veterinary medicine showing that we can suppress the RAS with it in one of them, and we can have some positive remodeling effects in another, but no long-term studies. The biggest limitation is the expense. So the last time I priced it out, it was going to be $7,000 a year for a patient to receive that, which is really not within reach for most of our clients. And when we consider that we don't know that it's better than an ACE inhibitor and spironolactone together, which we can treat for probably $10 a month, it's very difficult for us to choose Entresto over what we know works and we have more studies on and is within financial reach. Maybe that'll change in the future as far as the cost. I don't know.
On the theme of cost, for a stage C patient, let's just say stage C or stage B2, what's the average monthly cost for your average sized dog?
I think it depends on whether you use generic ACE inhibitors and spironolactone or use non-generic ones. But generally, if we were to think of a 5 to 10 kilo dog, probably $40 to $50 a month or so. The larger the dog is, the more expensive it's going to be.
Got it. Thank you.